Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've got a pan heating up on a high heat and it's a non-stick pan and the pork mince is pretty fatty, so put some oil in if you want, but I'm just going to get it straight in the pan. And then I'm really just going to brown the meat, and then once it's brown, we'll season it with some hot sauce. Great, so when the meat is browned, I've just got it off the heat. Probably could have browned it a little bit longer, but I'm getting impatient. Then I'm going to get just going to season it with some hot sauce. So this is like a kind of medium heat, smoky chipotle hot sauce, but you could use any hot sauce, just if it's hotter, use less. And if you want, if you're using a really hot one, you might want to just add a little bit of tomato puree or tomato ketchup just to make it a little bit saucier. So, and really you just want to do that to taste. And then give it a bit of salt. And I'm also going to put some lime juice in it just to make it nice and zingy. So just only a little bit, just like half a lime. Then have a taste, see how you're feeling. You might want it more limey, less limey. It's all good. And then I've got a bunch of kale that I've just shredded, so finely sliced. But you could use any greens, baby spinach. You could use cooked greens if you like. It's really up to you. And so I'm just going to put the meat in on top of the greens. Then I've got avocado, so I'm just going to scoop my avocado on top. If you wanted, you can mash the avocado to make it kind of quick guacamole, but I'm just doing an even faster job here. And just going to finish it with lime and just an extra drizzle of hot sauce. And then we're good. I'll get the avocado and I like salt. Taco Bell's ready. And this is super versatile. Like, you can use any greens. If you want it, if I'm doing it for the boys as well, I'd probably, skip the hot sauce in the meat and just put some tomato puree and then just serve it with the hot sauce for us adults. I'd also serve it on a bowl with tortillas instead of the kale for the boys. So, makes it really easy for a nice quick family meal. And of course, if you've got leftover cooked protein, so pulled pork or cooked lamb or anything like that you could use that instead of cooking something from scratch, or some cooked chicken. And of course, vegetarian, beans, lentils, chickpeas all work really well in this type of dish. So yeah, enjoy. And if you wanted something extra, you could serve it with some sour cream. But I think for me, the avocado is just really lovely. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.